Murega o rĩngĩ ndĩmũgeithie thĩinĩ wa Kristo. Ha marĩtwa njĩtagwo Joseph Macharia Wambui, kuma itũra-inĩ rĩtagwo Kĩrwara. Niĩ nĩ mwana ũrĩa wateirwo kĩara-inĩ, ndirĩ ndauma kĩara-inĩ bado. Nĩkĩo wonaga mahinda mothe, thaa ciothe, niĩ nĩ kũrigwo ndigagwo kaĩ kĩara-inĩ rĩ, karĩ kĩĩ gĩethagwo kuo. Na can't you see, ni yule mwanamke na waume zake wananisumbua. Then let us read from the book Let's read Romans chapter 6 verse 5. Romans chapter 6 verse 5. For if we have been united together in the likeness of his death, certainly we also shall be in the likeness of his resurrection. Knowing this, that our old man was crucified with him, that the body of sin might be done away with, that we should not longer be slaves of sin. Now, if were you, what could you do? When they working harder to make sure that the nation, it has failed, it has totally failed, and they will leave for someone else to take over where the nation, it has fallen. Wange safisha kwanza jambo la maana, na cha msingi ni kwamba whatever that my brother have weakened, it should not be used as a power. Weakness is not power. But there are those who want to, but only to a fool that you can cheat. It's already weakened, but you are trying to make it as a power. What could you do if were you? You are left in a nation that it seems like it is already spoiled. Ni kama ni uzao ama ni taifa ambalo lina kasoro mahali. Kwa sababu mimi ona ndĩreyũria atĩrĩrĩ, mũndũ niĩ tũngĩkorwo tũkĩũrania kĩ na mũndũ? Tunaweza ulizana nini na mwanadamu? Wewe hauoni si jambo la kawaida kuharibiwa na ni yeye tu ulimwengu mzima ni yeye tu ndiye anasumbuana na mimi kuniharibia filamu, kwa sababu wanajiita genius. Ama hao nimekosa hata likes, sina hata like hata moja. Na you there, wewe ambao uko hapo, unachukulia kama ni jambo, ama unaona ni kama ni uongozi.